Narrate, Hagar and Ishmael were sent away.
Abraham prepared a feast. Then Sarah saw that Ishmael and his mother were making fun of their son Isaac. Then Sarah told Abraham, "Get rid of Ishmael and his mother, for he will not, for our house will not be passed down to them by Isaac." So Abraham was disappointed, but Abraham was disappointed because Ishmael was his son. But then God told Abraham, "I will make a great nation of Ishmael's descendants, also Isaac's." So the next morning, when Abraham woke up, he tied food to the shoulders of Hagar and sent her away with Ishmael. Then they wandered in the woods, and when the water was out, Hagar put the boy on a rock and sat down on another rock and said, "I don't want to watch the boy die." Then the Lord's angel spoke to her and said, "What is wrong, Hagar?" Then Hagar said, I have heard the Lord cry. I have heard the boy crying. So go and comfort him, and I will make a great nation of his descendants." So Hagar went to comfort the boy. So uh, so and as Ishmael grew up, God was with him, and he became an archer. And his mother arranged for him to marry an Egyptian woman.
A follow-up question. What happened after Hagar comforted Isaac? How did they survive? Isaac, Ishmael. How did they survive?
They survived by a water. They survived when God opened Hagar's eyes, and there was a well of water.
Okay.
That's it.